Well, hello, welcome to Beautiful Salvage. We are a channel that creates stuff from junk. So if you've seen us before, we do a lot of junk box challenges where a customer donates a box full of random junk and challenges us to create home decor. Today is a little different because we are building a boutique right now, and along with that, we need to build our displays for the boutique. So we're doing something for a display.
I'm starting on.
Oh yeah. So we have some Pinterest inspiration. I've seen this all over on Pinterest where they take old lampshades and cover them in moss. So I thought that would be a really fun thing to have above a table display. So we're going to be covering these lampshades, and it only works if your lampshade is a wire lampshade and has wiring down through the middle, like this one. So yeah, we're gonna give that a try and see how it turns out. This is also a fun thing to do for weddings too.
Yeah, if you're really in a bad mood, just start with
Yeah, this isn't even
But I'm in a good mood. So
Oh, there's scissors too if you need scissors. Oh, this the fabric in this one is like completely like dusty and rotten.
But that's all the better for taking it apart.
Watch out for pins.
Oh, is
Is there a pin in one?
Yeah.
I'm going to try to rescue something.
I seriously feel like I need to wear a mask.
I mean,
Wow, I can't believe I didn't drop one.
it also can see how you would repurpose these if you wanted to shade on, because you can follow the pattern.
Right. You could put cloth on.
Actually, on a lampshade book, I told you how to redo lampshade. It's kind of interesting.
So, funny story, I went to Duluth and I shouldn't even say where I was. I was on a beach.
It was north of here.
Yeah, I went on a beach with my kids, and we sat down to have a picnic, and there was a guy there wearing a lampshade on his head. And it was Brian. He was as serious as can be, just sitting there reading a book and with his lampshade, and he was balding, so maybe he was really desperate for a hat.
Well, for that skin cancer.
It was like, okay.
That's pretty desperate.
It was kind of hard not to laugh.
You should.
Well, do you travel with a lampshade in your car?
Yeah, I
Just
don't
in
know.
case you're going to sit on the beach. And
Maybe he was staying in a hotel or something and forgot a hat, and I took the lampshade off.
You should have had a supply of your new hat.
I'm done. How about you?
That's not fair.
This reminds me of a mummy house.
This was such a fun, simple, and easy project. We were able to talk and visit while we were doing everything. It's always fun to get together and be creative. Okay, so we have our lamps all unshaded. Whatever.
We stripped the legs.
Yeah, we stripped the lamps, and I bought this Flora Matte Moss from Walmart. We're gonna try using this. I thought maybe we would cut strips of it and then go down the wires, but I'm not sure how it's gonna work exactly. We're just gonna test it out. And we got our fingers on, because it never fails that someone here burns their fingers. Well, they're hot.
They're kind of nice for little. I'll show you. Close up. Up with your finger.
We ended up cutting 1-inch strips of the moss matting. This matting has lines on the back, making it easier to cut a straight line. Once the strips were cut, we put 2 lines of hot glue on the back side and pinched them onto the wires. I didn't measure the length of the strips for the vertical wires and just cut the little leftover tails off. The leftover tails ended up being the perfect length for the in-between sections of the wires on top. If you like this video so far, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel. This project inspired me to maybe try covering some other junk pieces in moss. I think a frame would look really neat too. I'm going to have to go through my stash of junk and see what can be covered in moss now. We are done with our lampshades, our moss covered lampshades. And what we'll do is we'll put them above a beautiful display in the boutique. So we'll hang them with either twine, rope, or chain. I'm not sure what yet. And yeah, it will just be a beautiful display. For Christmas, we could wrap twinkle lights around. For springtime, we could put blossoms in with the moss. All kinds of ideas.
So many ideas.
Yeah, it would be a beautiful wedding decoration. And you could also use them as cloches too. Like you put them on a table and then put a vignette underneath there. So
that's a great
there's
idea.
all kinds of ideas for this. And it was a quick project. It took us about an hour and we only used one roll of the sheet moss for all three of them. So we didn't have to open the second sheet moss, which was great. So maybe this will inspire you to do something fun with some junk that you have around your house, covering it with moss. It's always so pretty. And yeah, we'll see how it looks in the new boutique someday.
Yes.
Getting excited.
Yes, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw today, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. It really helps us out. We also have a website, beautifulsalvage.com, where you can shop all of our fun upcycled and found finds. And then follow us on Facebook. We also keep you updated there of the building renovation and projects that we have going on in just everyday life. So thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye.